is such a good girl. That is such a good girl. Let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be. Goodness. Lame clothing humor.
For today's moment of nature.
Wonder what that is. Is that a mushroom? It's crunchy. Ew. Come on, Rip, I don't know what that is. Is this like a crop circle? I mean, that's new. That's never been here before. Either someone's doing really small wheelies or aliens landed. And still here, still free. Oh, what a lovely rainy day. Nice dark skies. Well, plants look good in this though. Wow. Where's Winnie the Pooh? Because it's a blustery day.
For today's moment of nature.
What this means on my gas pump. Is it texting? Week 2 of annoying parking garage announcements. Now they've switched to country music. Parking at the Wilson Common Garage. Please take your parking ticket with you. God, I know the speech already. Can you imagine working here and having to listen to that? Okay. Wow, nice parking job. Not even close. Oh, the Hancock building is especially nice to me. The old and the new Hancock next to each other.
For today's moment of nature.
Okay, I'm at the scary rest stop. My ice cream. Worst water sprinkler ever. Now, here's our favorite nursery. Here to pick up some stuff. This is Briggs. You can't see the sign there, but this is Briggs. Palm trees in New England. Who knew? Anyways, here's Briggs. This place is huge. And that time of the year. Pumpkins. I've actually never carved a pumpkin. Have you? Well, I'm about as unartistic as when it comes to that sort of stuff as it gets, so it would look like some sort of like, you know, deformed pumpkin thing. I wish I could do it. I don't think I could even do it with one of those kits. Look at all these plants. Holy shit.
today's moment of nature.
Excuse me guys, I'm coming through here. Hello. Hi guys, out of the way. Come on, move, 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 move. Thank you. Get over there. Get over there. Come on. Ah.